Whoa, check it out. I'm on the edge of a life-size bathtub made out of soap. What's up, wise guys? It's your boy Lewis here, back with another video. Now, this time I've made a miniature version of what I hope will become a life-size bathtub out of soap. Let's get to the meat of this video, right? How did I even make this thing? I got inspired by an artist's work. Her name is Rachel Whiteread. A lot of her work focuses around casting. In particular, she did these huge castings of bathtubs. And it reminded me a lot of what glycerin soap bars look like. So I thought it would be pretty cool to try to make a bathtub out of soap. You would never need to buy soap. You can just rub up against the sides of the tub. Of course, this has its own challenge, which is getting that much soap and doing that kind of a scale of a cast. So I wanted to demo it with a small version first. So let's get into it. Okay, so it's now the next day. I let this firm up overnight, and now we're gonna remove some of these screws and see what's happened to the mold inside. Oh damn, that's not half bad. Definitely see the thing through the side, but also it could probably be alleviated just by having fewer air bubbles. There we go, and that's pretty good. Bam. Yes! Yeah, it should have been one piece. All right, well, I guess let's pour in the next layer, shall we? Well, as thrilling as it might be to watch soap cure, let's stick it in the fridge and catch back with you guys later. The tub is more or less done. It's a little bit hard to see the tub. Based upon the way that I melted this soap, there were a lot of air bubbles in it. This wouldn't be a problem on the full size. Otherwise though, I think it turned out pretty good. Actually, the best way to see the tub, to have it backlit. I think that's pretty cool though. So that's pretty much it in terms of what needs to be done to finish off this tub. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you check out my Kickstarter link to build a life-size version of this. I'm not making any money off of it. About half of what you pledge is gonna go to making this, and the other half goes to making your rewards. So yeah, it's kind of a win-win. You get some cool stuff, and we get to make a cool project. Hope you liked this one. If you did, slap a like on it. If you didn't, let me know down in the comments what you'd rather see in future videos. Anyway, thanks a ton for watching. All right, wise guys, see you next time.